a coupon thing for Keyanna.
Okay.
Is that it? Did I do anything else?
Nope.
They tell me when to go in, right?
Yeah.
Can I make this turn, Nina?
Yeah, Tony. Everybody else is doing it.
Go up.
I'm not everybody yet. Well, I don't know if they tell me when to go or what.
Tell them you're a noob. You've never done it before.
No.
This is it. This is the free car wash.
This is it.
Okay, we're done.
Thank you.
What is that?
They probably take it off right before you go in. Is he telling me to go? Or who is that guy? I don't know. We'll look for you guys' windows.
Oh yeah, gotta put the windows
I
up.
don't know what I'm doing. I can't see if my tire's going in there, Mima.
You'll just head for the left tire in that red thing and it'll guide it in.
I don't know. Okay. I don't know when I'm supposed to go in.
I think they'll tell you. What?
Yeah, they're waving at me. Okay, but I can't see what I'm doing.
They'll wave you in.
Doing.
Put your sun visor up, Tony.
Open your window.
Put it in neutral. Take your foot off the brake and just let it roll, okay?
Okay.
Don't do that.
Okay, windows are up.
Yep.
Okay, so it is
This is gonna be cool.
Is that funny?
Yeah. Hey, no, I can't see.
Oh, it's something this.
No, oh, yeah.
No brakes.
I can't see it.
I think I put my brakes on it real quick. They just said don't do your brakes, so what if I did?
I can't see it.
Yeah, I think we're heading towards
I can't see it. Oh.
the big blue brush.
Oh my. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh, I hate those. Cool. Oh, I hate that. Take the brakes off. Oh my. I hate these. I hate these. I hate these. I hate these. I hate. Okay, this is scary. This is scary. Hey, that's my kid. Hey, get back here.
Oh my God! Look at this one.
Oh! My God, this is scary. Hey, I can't see. It's too scary. Hey, look at that. It's raining. This looks cool. Cool. Hey, are you scared? This is scary. Is it down now? Cool.
Another, it's like a windstorm. It's blowing all the water off of us, Keyanna.
I feel it. Probably that's a hail question. That's probably the hail question. This is cool.
Her first car wash.
I'm so excited.
For now.
Let's go now.
Now
It said
you.
go the whole time. Oh, it did?
Yes, back where you
Where's the
look.
out thing?
Is it right over that speed bump over here to the right?
Okay.
Did you have fun, Keyanna?
No,
It's
that's
scary.
right here.
That one's scary.
Scary.
Can I see that movie? Hey.